Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check setting up Apple Pay at Volksbank. So let's start. I will give you some tips that you can follow to add your card, the Volksbank, to your Apple Pay. So I hope this followed you and you can get it. So the first one is if you have eligible card, you can tap card on your iPhone to add it, or you can add your card manually. If you have any issue adding your card, you can contact your card user. So in case that you can't add your card to your Apple wallet, you can call to the bank and then we'll give you the support to do it. In the wallet app, at the bottom, plus and the previous card at the card you used previously. Tap debit or credit card to add a new card, and then tap continue. To add your card, tap your hold the card close to your iPhone to add it. And to manually add your card, tap enter card details manually and follow the on-screen instructions. Some banks and your card issuers may require further authentication. They may ask you to provide more information or to download the app before approving your card for use with Apple Pay. So that is how you can add the Apple Pay your card from the Volksbank on your Apple Pay without any problem. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. So only if you have issues about, you can add your card, you can call, as I told you, to the bank and ask for a support to do it. So guys, I hope this information helps you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.